Hi everyone, welcome back to Civil the Will. In this video, I am going to show you how to find out the perpendicular offset between the 3 points which you have known the 3 points. Let's start the video without wasting any time. So let's open the Autocad software. So here we can see that we have 3 points. How can we find out the cutting point and offset distance? So I will show an example. Let me take this BC line. So with the help of line command, create a line BC, and after that on the BC line I want to find out the cutting point and offset distance to this A point. So how can we form the perpendicular offset to this BC line? So for that, use the command L enter, and after that pick this A point, and after that right click on the background, and here we can see the snap overrides option, and here we can see that perpendicular option. Select this perpendicular option and now keep the cursor on the BC line. Then we can able to see a perpendicular symbol. We can able to see the perpendicular symbol and snap this symbol, and after that click on this symbol so that we can able to create a line which is perpendicular to this line. Let me check the angle between these two lines is 90 degrees or not. So select this line and again select this line. So here we can see the angle between this line is 90 degrees. So we have created the line which is perpendicular to this BC line. So how, and now we can check the cutting point and offset distance with the help of DAL command. Click on enter to check the cutting point, and I want to change the color, and now select this point and this point to check the cutting point. So this is our cutting distance, and now again I want to find out the offset distance. So DAL, click on enter, and now pick this point, end point, and again pick this end point. So this is our offset distance. So this is how we can able to form the perpendicular offsets when we have 3 points, and this is how we can able to find out the cutting point and offset distance. So I hope you like this video, and don't forget to subscribe our channel and click on bell icon to get the latest notification. Thank you so much. Love you all. Jai Hind.